In this episode, a solo homeowner learns how to repair a chipped countertop using epoxy, turning a flaw into a durable surface. First, she cleans and dries the area, then mixes epoxy resin and hardener to a smooth consistency, following the manufacturer's ratio. She fills the chip with the epoxy, levels it with a card, and lets it cure, revealing a seamless, durable repair. She grins, aware that preparation and patience make any kitchen fix doable for a confident DIYer. Finally, she wipes away excess material and tests the surface, ready for light use.